Get it while it's hot, the Dude Mungus 3000.
Day one, the transformation of the bat.
Dude Mungus.
No monkey.
Hey, dude and dudette, say what up, it's your boy Dude Mungus. I am here at Caylor-Made, and we are switching things up. I am super excited. Oh, we got Opie coming around here. Yeah. So the bike is ripped apart right now, and they are doing their thug dizzle. So we go in, take a look at the bike real quick, and then I'm gonna bring you guys right back out here so we can get this unboxing of these fairings done. And I also need to do a review on the fairings that I had on there, because I've had the fairings almost a year, and I'm actually surprised at how well they've held up.
Give them space to do what they doing.
Jump into a detailed explanation of how well these fairings are doing, but let's get in the shop, look at the bat real quick, and then we'll be on our way out.
Fucker idled me up there. And it chugged right along.
Yeah, do that. So we're inside. They over there working on the bat. What I'm gonna do is take you guys outside, give you a sneak peek of what we're working with. I can't show you the whole thing, but I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what we're working with, and then we'll come back with the full reveal later. But you already know we gotta do these 2025 refreshes, and yeah, there's some other stuff we gotta get into and talk about, but let me get this box outside and we get to it. We outside because they about to run some bikes here on the dyno, so let's hurry up and get this done. I'm just gonna show y'all the side piece because, hey, you know how them side pieces do. I was real nervous about switching these fairings up because the yellow was so good, but I was like, yo, it is time. They seen the incident when I dropped the bike and they was like, yo, Mungus, do you want it? And I said, yes, it is time to. That joint, yo, that joint is going on. Woo, boy, that joint is gonna be cold, and I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but look at the metallic flake in there, my boy. Oh, that's gonna be nasty, my slime. Ooh, that's gonna be nasty. All right, that's all I can show y'all. Y'all have to wait for the rest. Y'all have to wait for the rest. All right, that's it. Literally just had to give you guys a quick sneak peek. I am way too daggum excited about this, and I'm actually going to be shocked when everything gets put on. So I'm just waiting for complete and utter surprise. Can you guess what exhaust I went with? And whew, when I tell you this thing, bro, it's about to be something crazy. Now, it's hard to overdo the yellow because the yellow was so daggum good. So I'm like, ah, that's a tough ask, but I think we got it. Day one, the transformation of the bat.
Say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. Love. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Dude Mungus, no monkey. give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Say I'm dangerous 'cause I broke all the cages. No, I will sit and take it. No, no. They left me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me,
Dude Mungus.
they'll be calling me royalty.
market. The market. The market. Thank you for watching, dude. The market.